My computer's breaking just a little bit. I can't turn down the volume for myself. Oh, now it works. What the hell? No, it's being glitchy. Okay, well. That's fine. Happy Thursday. Grat, I will go a little more into the interview when we got some more people here, because I imagine I will get this question more than once. So, hi Pierogi. Hi Token Toker and Born. Oh yeah, my computer is being laggy as hell. Wait, I'm gonna mute myself on my mic, and then you tell me if it works. The mic sounds fine. How loud is the music? Thank you, Born. You hear no music? Okay, well we can fix this. Wait a second. How about now? Slightly? Okay. I have it really quiet because I'm like, I always want to be cautious. Okay, we're gonna turn it up a little bit. You tell me how much that did stuff. Well, now it's a new song, so that's fine. We have to wait for the next song. Wait a second. Come on, next song. That's worse. Okay, now it's playing again. It is ranking. Should I turn it higher? I wish I had, like... It is high. Is it, like, high enough, or should it be higher? You can tell. Okay, alright. How about now? I turned up very much higher. Perfect? Okay. You still hear nothing? Okay. Alright. Now it's too loud in my earphones, so I gotta turn it off with my laggy computer. I think it's because I'm trying to process our 12-hour stream on my computer right now. That's probably what's up, honestly. It's a little loud compared to my voice. Okay, how about now? Is it loud compared to my voice? Tell that more for him. Good day to you too, Sammy. Is it still too loud? All good? Okay, I don't want it to be too loud. Audio is the bane of my existence when we are doing this. Also, sparkling, that's also the bane of my existence when we're doing this. So, that's good. We got a shorter stream today because I have a baby shower I need to go to. Wow. Wait a second, who? Dom, thanks for the sub. Wait a second, the alert showed up behind our chat. Gotta fix everything. Make it work. Thank you for the support, Dom. There we go. Now it should work. Anyway, so I'm going to a baby shower for my childhood friend who I haven't seen in like 4 or 5 years, so that will be interesting. But that means I need to get done early, so. How long was your stream, Rascal? Did I code the baby present? Nah. Oh yeah, I said I was gonna, I was hanging out on Leah's stream the other day while I was drawing this, but this is what I'm giving her. Wait a second. I don't know if that you can see it very well. There's it's kind of blurry, but I do a teddy bear. So yeah, and then my mom got one that costed money. So, not a card, but a present. I can only donate my skillage. Anyway, I don't know. Babies like teddy bears. I don't know. I was like gonna do a pram or whatever, and I didn't. So, hey, thanks for dropping by, Dan. Oh, wait. So, technically 3 had to deal with neighbors. Oh, I think you're right, Born. So, if you remember, for the past 2 streams, we've been working on coding a Othello game in the terminal. Okay, right? Because I had an interview on Tuesday. Well, it went very poorly, and that's okay. I was sad after, and then I was like, you know what? So that's where I'm at now. Baby Susan. Wow. We are getting buffering. Am I buffering? That's true. It was probably the worst, the worst interview I've had. And it was completely like on me. So I thought we were going to be making it from scratch. And basically, as far as we got in stream was making the board. We didn't get to the game logic really. And when I got there, they're like, yeah, so we did the board and everything. Just do the game logic. And I was like, oh, fuck. And then, you know, we're told, like, when you're getting ready for interviews, when you're in an interview and you're doing a coding challenge, you say, well, I was thinking about doing XYZ. Is this true? Blah, 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 like engaging the person. But what happened in this one is they're like, hey, we want to mimic the coding environment that you code in as, like, accurately as possible. So I'm just going to leave you to do this for an hour, and then I'll come back, and then we'll chat about it. So I couldn't even tap into my, like, just rambling skills, because I'm great at rambling, because they weren't watching me. And then I tried to do prep, but I couldn't do prep because they weren't there for me to do prep with them. So, yeah. That's when you Google. You're right. The problem was, I don't know if I should say the company, because I may have screenshotted what they sent, or like the prompt and everything, and I don't want to like attach the company to it, because I'm actually just putting it online. So like, I'm not gonna tell you that, but I will show you what it was. No, you're fine, Dan. You're fine. I don't think any of us really knew what it was gonna be like. They were trying to make it like a less stressful situation overall. But like every time I code, I'm coding with someone, baby. Like every single time I code. So I was like, here, be alone for an hour. And I was like, oh my God. But I pair program, you know, like, and then, for those of you who don't know, I was in a boot camp called 100 Devs. Lots of people here are in that boot camp. You can do ! 100 Devs to learn more about it, or join the Discord at ! Discord. Anyway, that out of the way. Wait, no, I lost my train of thought. Rufio, what was I talking about? What was I talking about? I'm lost. Friendship set prompts. Hey, Fanged. Coding alone. Okay. Coding alone. Oh no, I know what it was. So, in the 100 Devs class, you learn stuff. You know how that goes, learning. It did not go well, Fanged. We're talking about it right now. But, like, so we learned stuff in the 100 Devs class, you know, except when we were doing that, I was depressed and I didn't pay that much attention. So that's my bad. But we did this thing in class where we coded with constructors and shit. Guess who didn't pay attention? It's me. Guess what the current code was? It was all constructors in all classes. I've never used those before. All of it, constructors and classes. And I was like, fuck, I don't know what this is talking about. And I feel like I should have, but I just wasn't like familiar with it, and it threw me for a loop. And so pretty early on I was like, I'm not gonna get any code down. So I'm like, okay, I'll just like write what I would do, like I'll pseudocode. And so I pseudocoded oh great, realistic environment for me is pair programming. Pull up a chair. Yeah. I could Google on my phone, but I also just like, I don't know, I just like need to like work through the code and try and understand it, and I just couldn't figure out what it was referring to. Like it was all doing stuff, but I couldn't follow the logic. I don't know why. Maybe it's just me not being a great coder, but that is how it went in that regard, I suppose. And like they allowed me to Google and everything. They had me turn my camera off and my mic, and I could just do whatever for an hour and try and figure it out. I did try to Google. I tried to Google what other people did, and apparently there are like a fuck ton of ways of how to code this game, so that was cool, I guess. But it wasn't. Anyway, so I thought I would just do the pseudocode and kind of hope for the best. And so the interviewer came back after an hour, and I was like, so I didn't write any code, but like, this is the sort of thing I thought we would do. And then the constructors kind of threw me for a loop. I'm not as familiar with that. And he was like, I'm sorry. And I was like, it's okay. And he's like, well, I was kind of hoping, okay, thanks for the stretch. I was kind of hoping for you to code. And I was like, I know, me too. I was hoping this as well. And then he's like, well, all right. And I was like, all right. And then I ended the call, and then I had a little bit of a cry, and then I was like, you know, it's okay. I'm fine. So that is how that went. So we're also, if you want to see it, I can show it to you as well. So I can show it to you if you're like, maybe you can validate me and like, what the fuck is happening? Or maybe you're just like, oh yes, I know what's happening. Then I ate a burrito. I may have. I'm not sure. Wasn't thinking about burritos that much then. So, yes. Interviews are great. Should we look at... I screenshotted the challenge because I didn't want to like highlight it all and copy it into my code editor in case they were like, what are you doing that? You know? But they couldn't see if I screenshot it, so I screenshot it. So we can look at those screenshots. You cannot promise to say we don't know what's happening even if we do. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, wait a second. Let me find where these screenshots are. Okay, so... Okay. Alright, wait a second. They also were trying to make it easier by like coding like the beginning in the first place. Which is nice, but also no verbal component at all. No technical questions. It was just a challenge. Next time I'll get it. Thank you. I mean, we'll see, but thank you. Can I ask for feedback? I could, but I'm pretty damn sure I know what the feedback is. Code next time, because I didn't write any code. I didn't. Hey, Bull. Hey, Leah. I mean, I don't want you to fear interviews, but I've not had the most positive interactions with interviews, so there's that, I guess. Okay, should we look at it? What I'm showing you right now is like the actual like problem they gave me. How did the job interview go? I mean, I just went into it, so you might want to look back later because I don't want to bug people, but not well. It went very bad. And today they got back to me and they're like, so we're like thinking that we're not moving forward. And I was like, bro, I already knew that. Like, no surprises there. I know I failed that interview. Okay, let's look at it. So, is this big enough? I'm gonna see if I can make it bigger. Okay. Wait a second. No, this isn't working out for me. Wait a second. What if I zoom up here? Anyway, so they talk about what the game is, rules and stuff. Carpe Diem, thanks for the follow. I'll leave it here. I don't really want to read it out loud to you, so I'll just leave it here for a second, and then we'll go on to the next screenshot, okay? Just had a couple of interviews in your career, and you always get nervous. Okay. Does suck, you hear me? No, catch my break. I don't know. I'm a little fatalistic, I'll be honest with you. I'm like, I've already done 10 interviews and nothing. I get into those moods. And then like, I feel like a lot's going wrong in my life. Like today, my toilet started leaking and I had to like move the bowl to dump it into the toilet so that it wouldn't like overflow, and I spilled it all on the floor, and I was like, oh my god, why is this happening to me? And yesterday my dishwasher broke, and so it's so easy to see like all the bad things that are happening, but I'm like, okay, but like there's gotta be good stuff that's happening, and there is. Like, I'm hanging out with you guys. Streaming is going great. We're hanging out. There are 48 of us in here. Like, that's pretty damn great. And I think there were other things as well that were great. There are 5 baby quail in my backyard. I was watching them today. They're just walking around my backyard. Their mom and dad are not there, and so I don't know what's up with that. It's kind of concerning to me, but I called the wildlife rehabilitator and I was like, are these babies cool or do I save them? And they were like, they're fine if they're in a group, but if they were by themselves, they wouldn't be cool. Anyway, they ran around my yard being very loud and chirpy. So I took out a plate of water and I put it in the grass so maybe they could have some water. And I did a plate so they wouldn't drown in it. So, yeah. Yeah. So I just sent a clip of me coding from Twitch. Should have, yeah. What I should have said, I appreciate your interest in me. I've decided not to move forward with your company because of personal reasons. Good luck in your candidate hunt. Power play. Thanks, well. Why would they have you make Othello? It doesn't seem newbie friendly. I agree. That's another thing. Why didn't that sound make any sound? The sound alert didn't make any sound, I think. What the fuck? Did you hear the sound alert? I was saying other things and I forgot what they were. Oh yeah, not newbie friendly. So that's another thing is, I'm not like terribly upset about this because some of the vibes from... Nah, where is the audio? Mother trucker, dude. Mother trucker. What if we pause the music for a second? Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. And let me try doing it. Wait a second. Nothing. I do apologize for that. I don't know what's up. It didn't even like show up this time. Well, I'm sorry about that. I don't want y'all to like have to waste your points on something that's not gonna work. Wait a second. Let me talk while I try and figure out why that is happening. But I keep forgetting what I'm talking about, so that's cool, I guess. Oh yeah, it not being newbie friendly. That's another thing is like the hacker rank was super hard. This problem was super hard. And I'm like, bruh, are you trying to hire juniors or not? Like, why are you going so hard? I don't. It was kind of a bit of a red flag for me. And so while I'm sad I didn't get it, I'm also kind of relieved. So give up coding, become a plumber. Can't focus on the bad things. You're right. Definitely hard when stuff like that keeps happening when you're already feeling down. Yeah. I don't think I've seen this. What is this one? Wait a second. Oh my god, what is this? Wait a second. You seen a hippie crystal shop selling some quail and you lost your shiz at how adorable they were. And yeah, that's the story of how I first seen quail in real life. Nice. Why were they selling quail though? Firewall hates bullshit assignments. Same. Vibes are super important. You've turned down job offers because your gut said these aren't the vibes you're looking for. Yeah. I don't know. I didn't really have any like strong reasons to be like, but like I kind of was, What if they came back and I was just sobbing in their room? I'd be like, sorry, I'm so emotional about how fantastic I am. The way the company structured that co-host interview seems fishy. You'd immediately start questioning if you want to work there. They left you for an hour. They just want some code monkey to write classes instead of a human to work within a team. Oh, also, I forgot to do the next screenshot. What is it? Hello? Hello? Screenshots? Wait a second. Here is the second one. Okay, there you go. Damn, with the anti-newbie vibe. Seriously, though, the coding interview process is kind of janked. I hope so, Born. I hope the better ones are out of the way. Selling them for hippie reasons? That kind of makes me sad. Why are they selling them for hippie reasons? You'd have rejected the interview, to be honest. They're like, Code Othello. Bitch, I'm not learning how to play this for an interview. One thing good from all of the industry's habit of technical code interviews is that a lot of companies don't need a required 4-year college degree or more. If they can evaluate your skills, it doesn't matter so much as if it's taught from a university or boot camp or self-taught. True. She's changed into a disguise. Power, please. Quail eggs, but they're so small. But also, like, having seen like the 5 quail, let's name them. What if we name them Judith? What are some like really like janky old names? What? Judith, Gertrude, I need old names. Bennett, okay. So that's Judith, Gertrude, Bennett. Name them all Judith. Judith 1, 2, 3, 4. We could name Lacey and Helga. Wait a second. There are so many now. We need some boy ones. So how about we have Judith. I like Thaddeus. I don't want to name one Gertrude because I actually named a cat that a couple years ago and she was really cute. So it's her name. So we have Judith and then we have Thaddeus. I like Abernathy. I like Constance. I like Helga. Okay, there they are. I forgot what they were, but wait a second. So Judith, Thaddeus, Helga, Constance, and Abernathy. We have to write that down. I'm gonna forget, but y'all don't redeem the sound alerts. I don't know. They're broken. I was supposed to fix that. Eugenia, nice. These aren't supposed to be nice names, but no offense to anyone who's named these names, just saying. Okay, have y'all read this one yet? If so...
Wow.
Wait, now it makes noises? Oh my god, I'm so confused. When do they make their first stream appearance? I can't touch them, they're scared of me. Maybe I'll try and see if I can get a picture of them. They're so cute and so loud. Frank. I feel like I need to do, now that these sound alerts are working, I need to do a couple of them because y'all redeemed them and you used your points and you didn't hear them. So wait a second. Let's do this one.
Catch me outside, how about that?
Let's do this one. Pranked? Maybe it's just my computer, yo. It's probably just my computer. Take the stream outdoors. Yeah, Born. Why is it sound alerts? Why? Why? Anyway, let's move on to the next thingamajigger here. We did 2. Here's the third one. And the beginning of the code. So. Oh my god. Where's the noise? I betcha it's just like my RAM or something.
Frank.
Oh, now it works? I'm so confused. I don't understand. What am I showing you?
Maybe, but who's stopping us? Your dad?
What I'm showing you is the coding challenge they gave me. So we looked at the 2 screenshots where they're doing the what words are we're saying words. What are we saying? Instructions. And now we're just barely getting to the code screenshots. So this is what they gave me. Born, it's because you're not a subscriber. I think they're subscriber ones. So if we look at this so far, it's so small. Wait a second, I will fix this. Maybe we can see a little better. So they do a class, they do a constructor, and then they return it. And you know, honestly, like I kind of get this, but like I don't. So how do you sub? Do you have to actually pay money to see me? No, you don't have to pay money to see me. You can just chill with right now. It's no money. What's the next project to learn classes constructors? I'm bitter about them, I'll be honest with you. So this is the beginning. You can see it. You can see it. Now, are we ready for me to move to the next one? It was 3, I think. This is 4. Okay. Let's zoom in. Okay, so they gave me the class. So I don't even know how to explain this, I'll be honest with you. But this is what they gave me. And so I'm like sitting there in the interview and I'm like, what? So they set up the board for me and you're tasked with creating the game. Yes, exactly. Learning now is a great way to be spiteful. We just have so many other things you have to do as well. Anyway, so that's all this code. Leave it for a little bit longer so you can like look through and either be like, oh yes, clearly this is what is happening, or just be like, I don't even know, which was me. That was me. I don't love this song. Wait, did I skip the wrong way? Okay. Applied to AWS yesterday. Interesting. I hear not great things about AWS. So if you saw this in your coding interview, what would you think? This code. Wait, which song the one I skipped? It's the only thing I had to do for the interview? Yeah, but then the next interview the next interview would have been another whiteboarding challenge with them, and then they would have asked me questions about data structures and algorithms. That's what they told me. This is not all the code they've given me. I can move to the next one. I just didn't want to do it before people had a good look at this. This is more code. So this is some of the logic. Yeah. You probably would have looked and told them, thanks for the opportunity, but I was looking for more of a front or back end role. Wait, what type of role do you think this is? Yeah. So the thing is, like, it wasn't Fang. Why are they asking for data structures and algorithms? Tell them, code me outside, how about that? And if it was for a front back end role, then how is this applicable to the everyday job? He said to me, we wanted to give a meteor problem. We don't expect you to finish it. We just kind of want to see like your problem solving process or something. You find it interesting there's 0 comments? Okay. Alright, are we done looking at this? Sound like they want a senior at the price of a junior. Do you really think so though? Like, hey, we're gatekeeping me? Wait a second. How are they gatekeeping me? Alright, should we look at the next one? This is the next one. Hello. Games are a different way of thinking. You've seen it at your job where it's given to new hires. And I wouldn't have minded trying to code this. I just didn't know what the fuck was happening in the code. Hey, Milk. Hey, Tomas. Doing all this just to get a ticket to add padding to a button when you're on the job. That makes sense, actually. I need to turn my sound down. My computer's not being responsive and it makes me mad. Okay, apparently I did it, so there's that. Okay, so this is more of the logic. If you just looked at this, do you know what this is saying? I don't know what this is saying. You've had hard tickets and it hasn't been like this? Yeah. Then again, you hate programming games. It was fun when we did it. Like, I don't know. I felt like it was fun. But this is just completely different than what we were doing. I don't know. So there's that one. And then the final screenshot I have, you kind of know what it's saying. Wait, how much experience do you have, Master Firewall? This does sound like they're looking for a coder to do a list task versus employee quality coder. Okay, this is the last part. So this is where I was supposed to jump in, right here. I was supposed to implement the sort of the game logic, and I just got there and I was like, what? You know? Hola, Zyke. You're a data analyst scientist? Okay. Work for companies that were just looking for a body. Woof. No one know it's harder to read code than it is to write code. That's why you comment and have clear variables. True. All I comment is write a code. You're right. You're right. So yeah, that is the challenge. I have made my technical interviews folder public. So I will be trying to write all of this down in a file, and then you can see it there. In case you wanted to try and figure it out yourself or something. Anyway, so yeah, did not go great. Hopefully now you know why, or maybe it's just me. But like, they weren't a FANG company, and they wanted like data structures and algorithms. Like, bruh, why? It was like 1 to 3 years experience. When's the next interview? Don't have one yet. I don't do parody videos anymore? I do. The fact that I did pseudocode and didn't just bail is admirable. I mean, I wasn't gonna... Thank you. I wasn't gonna bail, but I just thought I had to like put something, and I didn't screenshot my pseudocode, so there's that. What is the win condition? I could not tell you if I wanted to. Wait, I don't even know what that means. What does that mean? If I got the job, what was the salary? Or we never got to that combo. Never got to that combo. Was there behavioral? No. Shoot your shot. Yep. Funny. Wait, what do you mean, Master Firewall? So, yeah. Well then, start trying to interview, Born. You would have ghosted the interview? Or FANG pay follows. And I bet you it wouldn't have been. I don't know. I couldn't tell you, but I bet you it wouldn't have been. I just think that they expected too much of me. Do I have GitHub? Yes. It should be, if you go to the About section in the channel, it should have like a widget that has my GitHub there, but it's just hello, it's Rufio on GitHub. You fear interviews, you're shy. I also fear interviews. Would you really have ghosted it though? Like really? Right on. Hog would have done it. Would have skipped. Yeah, I know. People tell you too extroverted? That's weird. That's weird. So, there you go. Hey, so thanks for the follow. That is how that interview went. Very bad. Didn't write a single line of code, just pseudocode, and they messaged me. Also, Zero W, thanks for the follow. What they said to me in the rejection email, I will read it to you. If you have the technical stuff, you gotta dump all your charisma into the behavioral. Same. I don't know how people with like less experience than me are getting jobs, but they are, and I just don't know how they're doing it. Because like basically the reason why I'm not getting all of these jobs is, oh, you don't have enough experience. But then I don't know. Like I'm happy for people who get jobs. I just don't know how they're doing it. Anyway, so they said, thank you again for your interest in our company. We appreciated the opportunity we had to speak with you, and we're overall impressed with your background and experience. Although your background is impressive, upon further review, the team was unable to select you as an ideal fit for the position and current needs. As one of the leaders within our industry, we receive many qualified applicants like yourself, so thank you again for taking the time to apply. And then they asked me to do a survey about the job interview, and they were like, we value our customers and also the people applying for jobs. So, there you go. Engineering meetings are so awkward. You would say this is mid-level? Really? What are we looking at? So you didn't see the rest of the screenshots, but this is like the challenge they gave me, and I screenshotted it because I thought maybe they would see me highlighting the code if I just copied it. But so there were a couple before this. I'm not gonna show them again, but I'll put them in the code repo if you want to see them later. And I just like, I got to this and I was like, bruh, I don't even know what's happening here. So you like the impressive, but nah, things gotta change. That BS email logic. I think it's funny. The team was unable to select you as an ideal fit. Just say the team didn't select you. It's not unable. It's like, we did not have the capability of doing this. You did have the capability of hiring me. Just say that you didn't, you know? Anyway, I don't know why I care, but pretty introverted. Whenever you host workshops or give presentations, you know, you're very comfortable. Won't shut up. You'd rather get how you can improve email. Looking for a junior dev, must have MD in computer science, must have 10 plus years experience. Would it have mattered if you completed the challenge or not if I didn't have enough experience? I mean, like, that's what they said. They didn't actually say, like, not enough experience. But, like, they wanted to see how I coded. They wanted to see that I could code, you know? So I think it could have gone forward if I had coded anything. The leaders in the industry, were they tech or tech adjacent? They are med tech. Took you forever to land your first job. Keep applying, keep doing interviews, you'll get it. See, you know how like people like will try and be inspirational on Twitter, and they'll be like, the night is always darkest before the dawn. You've got this. I mean, like, that's a nice sentiment, but dude, when you in the dark, you in the dark. There is no light. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? They want you to learn Othello for the interview. That's way too much for a junior role, and they left you alone for the interview. What is this company? It's a no for you. Yep. Said impressive background, whatever that means. True. You actually had one job interview where you submitted a video and they actually told you why they didn't select you. How'd the interview go? I mean, you can look back at the VOD later because I go into it in a lot of depth, but it went very poorly and I got the rejection today, so. I don't know why the noise things are not making noise. Took you 2 years, really. Dark is still dark. Struggle still struggle. Yup. They just want to see how you think, not how you can solve it. And, like, I get that. And they couldn't see how I thought because I didn't code anything. But, like, also, like, I didn't know what to do. So, there's that. This is one of the statements from the email. I also want to mention that I enjoyed your tutorial sample, so you got shortlisted as the top 30% of candidates. However, we only invited around 5% of the candidates to step 2. Oh, wow. Hey, Kevin. Kind of thoughts and prayers. Yeah. Appreciate the sentiment, but it's not really tangible help. Yep. Night's always darkest before the dawn. Or, like, there'll be a lot of people like, you just need to get the first job. That's the hardest. And then you're golden. And I'm like, yes, I get that. I understand. But I gotta get the first job. You know? You know? How did it go? You can go back and watch the VOD. I go into it in pretty great detail, but it did not go well, and I got a rejection today. Thanks, Farrell. Yeah, we gotta get the first jobs if we haven't yet, and it's hard. It's a little rough. Did they have me create a game? So they coded the board for Othello, and then they said like code the game logic. So change your stream title to "It went poorly. Watch the vlog later." I might. Did you try telling you're a famous Twitch streamer? Nah, because okay. Now we get some secrets. Now that I didn't make it, I wasn't supposed to know the game was Othello, so I actually hope they don't see these videos. But I found out. They didn't even tell me what the game was. They just said you're gonna make a game. So you're hoping you can turn your current role into a dev role. That would be great. That seems to be a great way to do it. Let's create a to-do list with React Store and local storage. We do need to do stuff with React soon. The more rejections, the closer you are to getting the next one. I hope so. Technically, you're golden after the first job when it comes to finding another gig, but the job is still hard. Yeah. How did I know what? Did I search interview or GitHub for the interview questions? No, because they're a 60-person company, so they're not that big. Again, so this is a screenshot. I didn't want to like highlight the whole thing because I didn't want them to be like, what are you doing, you know? So I will write this out later, and then I will put it in my technical interviews folder, which is now public on GitHub, and then you can look at the whole code if you want. So. How did I know what game I was supposed to make? Through the person who referred me. What am I taking away from this experience? Well, hopefully that it was my worst technical interview. Why weren't you supposed to know the game? Because they didn't tell me. They just said, you will be coding a game in the terminal. They didn't tell me what game it was. Right. So yeah. That was that. Again, I'm okay with it now. Because vibes weren't great. Wasn't loving the vibes. Had to code Othello, it didn't. Rewatch later. You're making bank and living the dream. This can be part of my motivational speech for new devs. How would I phrase it? Sometimes coding just fucking sucks, bro. Sometimes you look and you're in a technical interview and you're like, what the actual hell? And you're like, oh my god, I have no idea what's happening. So then you do your best, but despite not knowing what's happening, and then they tell you no. But eventually, and I don't know where the inspirational part comes from. What do we say? I wasn't even meant to know the game beforehand. The company gets worse by the second. Yeah, I wasn't. I didn't want to say that when I was streaming it because I didn't want people to be like, you know. But I wasn't. Seems like a ridiculous question for a junior dev interview. Yes, exactly. Exactly. I'm a baby coder. I've never claimed anything otherwise. You know, like, I know I'm not the best, but, like, hire me and I'll get better. You know? And I've said things like that in, like, interviews. I probably shouldn't say things like that, but I have. And I'm like, I mean, I don't know how to do that, but I'll learn. And they're like, okay, well, you don't have enough experience. I'm like, okay, thank you. Love that. You could have just saw it. Sometimes coding sucks, bro. People who are more baby than me are getting jobs. I'm not sure how they're doing it, but I'm happy for them. But they are. On stuff like this, read through the code and ask them all the follow-up questions you would have, because there isn't enough detail in this for anyone entry level to finish this. You really think so? It's the follow-up questions that get you the second interview. Like, what follow-up questions? Because I was like, I don't really know what's happening. Like, go through, like, I don't know. What would I say? You're supposed to know all the game rules to work at this company? What an odd requirement. Yeah. 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 Heck yeah. Nose is itchy again. I'm boring. The thing is, like, I didn't know how to do backend, and then I coded in it for like 6 months, and I kind of get it now. So, like, sometimes things are harder for you, and you just have to put in a lot of work, and that sucks, but that's how it goes. That's what I would say to that. But, like, I have hit a point where I'm like, I think I understand what's going on here, and that's, like, wild. Shit happens. Let's move on and try to learn stuff. All right, Blood. All right. They provide me with the rules of the game? Yes. At the very beginning in the screenshots. Alright. Blood is a little grumpy and wants to do coding, so let's do it. I think it's been a while since we've looked at this. It's not even here. Where do I have this saved? Wait a second. I'm just looking at where I have it saved. It was called what was it called? Fuck, where is it? Where is it? I don't remember where I saved it on my computer. Rufio! Rufio! Rufio. Did I save it here? No. Here? No. Okay. What is it called? I don't know what it's called. Might sign up for local boot camp if you want to, I suppose. Sometimes you gotta work 3 times harder than the guy next to you. Right? I don't know. I mean, right. But I don't feel like I can. Because I just don't have that much energy. Portfolio website? I'll have to look. It's not that. Just no need to ponder. Okay. Did I take a break from coding? Yeah. After the interview, I was like, fuck this shit. And then I don't know what I did. I think I just uploaded a lot of videos and stuff. Hey Derva. Wait. Leah, when would you stream? Was it on Tuesday? Because if it was, that's what I did. Why is my nose so itchy? Always. Did I say upload videos? I'm trying to upload the past streams to YouTube. I've been doing that in the last few days. Rufio, how do you not know where this is? I do talk to myself, yes. I'm not even ashamed of it. Hello? Have a new folder. Do we need to go back to one of those videos and see what I named it? You stream on Tuesday night? There you go. I was hanging out with Leah. That's what I was doing. I hang on to all of them, but I mean, you don't have to. Okay, wait a second. Let's look at my GitHub, see if... Let's go to problem, Rufio says. I don't... Or not a problem, a website. I don't know what it is, but we could do that maybe if we found it. Hello? Why does this look so weird? Okay. Wait. Oh, there we go. Hentober portfolio. Okay. Okay. This may work out for us yet. Nope, it's not in that folder. Okay, but it's called like, here, what if I do a search on my computer? It's gonna take forever, but we can just talk while it does that. Alright, what? Oh my god, it said none and it's coding. Okay, but we're checking the computer, fish. Okay. Do you ever need class 3 say ever again? Like I said, it's up to you. I didn't hang out with Leah for 12 hours. No, I just hung out a little bit until I drew this bear. Some of you haven't seen the bear yet. Wait a second. This is the bear. Oh, I drew it for a baby shower I'm going to tonight. It's not, you can't really see the details, so that's cool, but that's what it looks like. My first streams for 12 hours of the bees. Yeah, that's wild, Leah. Props. What is the music? You can see it over here. Don't waste it on me. What are we looking for? The art portfolio on my computer. 36-hour stream? Wow, 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 wow. I don't think anyone can do like an OG 12-hour stream. It's not like only one person can do that, you know? I know, it's so witchy! I will look at it, Born. I generally think smiling is better, but again, I think it's whatever you think is the best. It's really strange that companies give you algorithmic problems to solve in the recruitment process, and then when you work there, you just create simple pages, handle forms, and save data to API. You right. 12 hours of the React stream, of course, you didn't finish it yet. Woof. 32 hours, bro. What about smiling? I said I like people, like I like it when people smile in their pictures. But ultimately, it's whatever you're like, you feel best about. All right, yeah. It's searching in my computer. We're trying to find where I put this in my computer. I need to reinstall, or not reinstall. I need to install another SSD. But the last time I did that, it was so hard to get the bottom of my like computer off. Hey, big thanks to follow. It was so hard. So I'm not looking forward to it, but I'm almost out of space. A terabyte. Heroku is down yesterday? Well, I need a MacBook? No! I reject that because I can't video game on it. That makes sense. I adore my laptop actually. Like Legion 5, I adore this laptop. It's amazing. It has like, it's doing a little bit of a slowing down, but I've had it for like 2 years. But like, oh my god, it's so great. Outer space on my drive or physical space in a PC? In my current SSD. Yeah, you can install another drive. How come it takes so long to search your computer? Wait a second. There may be a different way to do what I'm trying to do. Well, did I delete it? What the fuck? You thought we were going to do stuff today. Joke's on you, I have poor organizational skills, apparently. Yes, I think that is the case. I have 1 terabyte. What do I have on there? It's gotten really full lately, I think, because of I've been downloading the VODs into my computer so that I could cut out parts that can't be on YouTube. Apparently, our Twilight bad lip reading can't be on YouTube. Anyway, and then also I have games. So nice, Turbo. Did I delete it? Oh my god, I found it. You know what it's called? It's called Art Portfolio. And the problem with me finding it is I would go to my desktop, I'd click my coding folder, and I looked in there. It is on my desktop. So, thank you. Anyway, now that I found it, we can look at it. Open folder. Okay, alright. I am a qualified software engineer. I know how to code and find folders on my computer. Yes, I do. Alright. I have another SSD. I bought it last Black Friday, but I haven't put it in because I've been like dreading taking the bottom off of my computer because it's so hard to take off. It's so hard to take off. Anyway, but I should do it because now I'm almost at a terabyte. So, whoops. That or just delete the videos off of my this thing, whatever this is called. Okay. Trying to stream today, but lost motivation. I'm sorry. All right, so yeah, we can't. The title of the stream says that we're working on this, and we've been going for an hour, and I haven't touched it, so that's cool. But this is what it looks like right now. Oh, pranked. Okay, come back. Hello. My computer is loading. I really shouldn't be processing a video at the same time as doing this, but I am, so... And this is what it looks like right now. Wow, 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 wow. Can you see that it's doing that cool stuff? And then we need to do... So, we've done this section, right? We've done this section. It looks like we're doing the About section today, so that's pretty cool. Maybe. Could be. Debatable. Regardless, we're doing it. Anyway, this is what it looks like when you do it this way. Wow, wow, wow. We're doing it, Peter. We're doing it. Okay. How to do the hover effects? Oh, well, we definitely did that. I think it was just like on hover. And then we fucked with the opacity. But you know, there's a way we can actually check this out. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, look, we're literally, that's where we are. So on hover, the image, we make the opacity 0.5. I did get the vertical text how I wanted it. So, I didn't open up Figma. Let me do that. Because we need to see what the About section is supposed to look like. It's been a while since we worked on this, so... What are Dunkaroos? wait, I found it. Okay. Oh wait, no, I didn't find it. Figma is confusing sometimes. I found the presentation. Okay, I found it. Okay, so this is what our about section is supposed to look like. I will make it bigger because that would probably be a good thing for us. If we could, yeah, yes. So if we do the zoomy, we're doing it mobile first, so this is what we're gonna look at. This is what it's supposed to look like. That's not anything that exciting, but that's okay. Hey, Karis, what's up? Ruff. Okay. Oh my god. The itchy nose is struck again. Streamer nose. Streamer nose. I will share this if you're just like, oh my god, I just kind of want to look at it on my own computer. You can do that if you want to. Your choice. Your prerogative. Did I use that right? I don't know. Anyway, there it is. So, I'm going to take it off screen now that you can see it on your own computer, so that we can have this be big and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Cool. Okay, good for us. So this was our welcome work. Here's our about, baby. Okay. No, you rock, Dom.
That put to sea, the name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew harder about it.
Can be AFK, no problem.
Soon may the weathermen come to bring us
See ya, Dom.
tea and rum.
What are CSS preprocessors? Are you talking about like SAS?
She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on
Oh my
her
god. No, stop it. Ah. Can you just imagine like someone dropping in and me just being like, because you know this is a great facial expression. Okay, so as it stands, right, what is this? Oh, now, this is what this looks like. So if we put it in the mobile stuff, which is how we do right now, we're looking at, okay, we'll make it small, like this. SAS is a CSS preprocessor. Okay, SAS is like, it basically makes it so that you can write your CSS in a way that's easier for you to write and read. Or easier for humans to write and read. And then when you compile it, it will compile into regular CSS for the computer to read, and it will be chunky and hard to read. But SAS is a lot more readable. So there you go. That's what I understand of them. Preprocessor CSS. What is compiling? Changing. So like it's changing the like beautiful readable code to like unbeautiful unreadable code, except for to the computer it's beautiful and readable to the computer. So okay. Let's try and see how much of this I can show on my screen. There we go. Compiling is like building code, usually from a human readable format to a computer readable format. I feel like that was said more eloquently than what I said, but I do feel like I said the same thing, sort of, maybe. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We forgot everything we were doing, so that's cool. And what are we doing with our lives? This is a good question, I think. Grid item, mosaic section, welcome subsection. Okay, so let's go. Oh, also, wait a second. If you're like, oh my god, I kind of want to like have this code. I think I pushed it up to GitHub. Should we see? Oh no, I totally have, because I looked at it on GitHub. I was like, is this here? It is. It's here. So. found it. I'm fine. There we go. That is the GitHub thingamajigger. Hey Vic, Moist Rex, thank you for the follows. How come I don't use frameworks? Because the idea of building this was to like, so we are all, or most of us here are part of the 100 Devs cohort, which is a free online full stack JavaScript bootcamp and agency that teaches full stack JavaScript. But there's some people who are like earlier on and they've asked me, or like they've like learned HTML and CSS, but they haven't moved beyond that. Or maybe they just want to like see more about it. But I've had people who are like, can you just show me how you would build like a website with that? Just those. So we are just using HTML, CSS, and Flex. Okay. We're gonna say about what is Flex? You know what Flex is, but basically it just allows you to, it's just like, what is Flex? How do I not know how to answer this question? Wait a second, let me think about this. Flex is a way to structure your web page on a sort of like 2D style thing. Axis? I don't know. Anyway, it just is basically like pictures everything as a box. Not that regular programming doesn't do that, or floats I should say. And then like you have like quicker ways to use it to like format stuff, like, and by that I mean like you can, there are commands, or like there are CSS, what are these things called, they're like rules that you can do to, I don't know what I'm saying. I was trying to explain it, I think I got lost. So nice to that you would die if you had to go back. I don't mind it. His floats flexing creative. There you go, y'all. Didn't use words very well, but that was my attempt to describe what Flex was. Thank you. I will accept an Oscar now, or an Emmy. I don't really know the difference. I don't really care, so there's that too. Okay. So right now, what I want to do is I want this and this to be two boxes that sit next to each other via Flex. And right now, I am guessing that that is not how they are. That is not how they are, right? Yep. There we go. That's the, maybe I can, okay. So if we look, okay, hello? You? So this is our about section. Got some padding on the top, but we're not doing anything in particular. You can kind of see this one already has some styling. We already put some spacey on it, but this has nothing. So yeah. Do you like my technical terms? Spacey. I like them. Wouldn't you want to hire me? I think I'm hilarious. So there's that. Kind of full of it. Flex is just a simple solution to place items on your website, but that's not really descriptive. That just tells what its function is. Hilarious doesn't get me hired. I know. I found that out. But it does get me friends. Look, there's 66 of us being friends here. Okay. So about. So we have Big Daddy section of just about with about class. So we can apply Flex to this Big Daddy section, and then it will do some stuff to this one maybe. Friends, more jobs. Saying, yep, yes, that was, yep. Sets how a Flex item will grow or shrink to fit the space available within its Flex container. Yes. Am I going to review the drama on LSF? I don't know what that is. What is LSF? Anyway, so let's grab this class. Live stream fails? I don't know what we're talking about. What are we talking about? We're no drama zone here. We're in mellow zone. You know how we mellow. Okay, so what if we said display flex? Also, last time I did this. Okay, so you see how I did the thing that we wanted it to do? Hot damn. Hot damn. I mean, we're not done, but I feel like we can do a celebratory. Dancing. Oh my god, nose. Why is it always itchy? Do I save my streams to YouTube? Yes. I have been trying to work on that for the past week. I'm currently, my computer's being very laggy and shit. And the reason why is because I'm trying to I edited the 12-hour stream and I'm trying to save it or something. I don't know. I don't really understand. And then I'm gonna put it on YouTube. So right now I've been putting 4 a day on YouTube because people are like, I want to see the current ones, Rufio. And so I'm just trying to put them up there, but I'm kind of being held behind or backwards by this 12-hour stream. So there's that. Did I delete the last stream for a couple days? Yes, just in case, but it's back. Align item center. Do that. I did to hide it from my interview. I did. I'm not even ashamed of it. So, I did. Align item center. Okay, so is that the thing that we want? I think maybe. I'm not sure. You know, you do. Does LSF make fun of streamers? I don't even know. Apparently I shouldn't even think about that. And honestly, I'm still not sure what we're talking about, so I guess I won't. Watch them being here looking at this one. If they do, bruh, do you think we take ourselves seriously? Hey, my name's Rufio. I'm a bad coder and I have a really itchy nose all the time on stream, so yeah. Yep, there you go. Was that on the thing that they're doing? I don't know. Complete with the other side. Did Robert and Kelly with the perfect hair ever meet and fall in love? I was like, who are Robert and Kelly? That's the stuff you care about. Was it Rob? Wait. I don't think those were the names. But yes, I know who you're talking about. No, they didn't. Our matchmaking failed. It's basically all of Rufio's co-workers on Twitch making fools of themselves. What are we talking about? Is there something going on Twitch where people are just making fun of people? Is that what's up? Oh my god, my nose. This person, nobody, what? I don't see anyone making fun of people. Oh god, I shouldn't have opened that page. It's freaking out. Okay, I'm not gonna look at it. Damn it, Rufio. I know. I need to get better at my matchmaking skills. Roger, that's who it was. Roger and Katie. But you were very close. New trailer. I'm Rufio. My nose is always itchy on stream. Roger and Katie. Yeah! Roger! Roger, who worked at NASA. Was a Hassan fan? Who dat? It's like a TMZ. Oh. Like a trashy TV channel? Yo, Roger, my boy, you gotta meet Katie. Yeah, yep, Roger and Katie. Roger and Katie. I don't think I should sing that song. That's very 8 years old of me. You know, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what we're talking about. If we talk about that in chat, I'm just gonna move on because I just don't understand what we're talking about. So let's do this thing. There you go, Dakota. I didn't know how to sing it. I think you did it backwards though. Okay, so I was gonna look at the Figma. This is what our Figma looks like. That's all. I feel like that's all we have to do, but maybe not. Maybe we should put what I would say here, like the actual verbiage. Should we do that? I don't know what I would even say about myself. Rufio. Well, I'm not technically Rufio on this, but maybe I'd say Rufio anyway. Rufio has liked drawing henna patterns for years. In 2020, she did Inktober for the first time. Text Align Center. Okay, wait a second. Oh, it's running into the edge of the page. Is talking about yourself in the third person the way to go? Okay, but like actually talking about yourself in the third person is bomb. And I don't know if there are any Indonesians or Malaysians up in here, but in Indonesian, or Malay, I assume, since they're basically the same language, don't at me. You can talk about yourself in the third person, and when I spoke in it all the time, I did. I was like, yeah, Rufio's fucking hungry though. And then my host mom would be like, Rufio is hungry? Okay, well host mom will go get food or something, you know, like, and it worked. It made sense. It sounds weird in English though. Green Scars recommends the third person. Rufio has drawn henna for years. Oh, I see we're getting all really fancy up in here. Wait, what has drawn? I don't even know what passive voice is. So. It works because Rufio is not my name. Alright, I can say my name. Ruth has drawn henna patterns for years. In 2020, she did Inktober for the first time. You're not supposed to use I statements? Oh, are you saying that's why I'm talking about myself in the third person? The bolder version approves of third person. Who's Ruth? Who knows? I don't know. Who dat? This fleshy meat space vehicle hurtling through space-time has enjoyed whittling away time doing temporal patterns with ink. Lol. Yes! I'm kind of tempted to actually put that though. But like if someone like like wanted to hire me and like looked at this and they saw that I said that. So there's meat space and there's cyberspace. I don't like people saying meat space, but it just means in real life. Like, cause are we meat? I would just say in like physical space. Multiple years of experience drawing henna patterns. Alright, okay, alright y'all. I will tell you what I think it probably should say, and you write it for me since you were doing that anyway. So, I've been drawing henna patterns for years, and Inktober, I did Inktober in 2020, where I started like trying to make original henna patterns apply to like prompts, and then really enjoyed it, and have kind of just kept up with that. Now, this website is full of images that indicate previous works that are available for redemption on stream. There you go. Knights of the Old Republic, okay. Are you writing it? That might be actually a little too much too. You haven't seen Star Wars? You haven't seen Star Wars? It's okay, you don't have to. I'm like a passive fan. Like I like it and I have strong opinions, but also like I'm not like, oh my god, Star Wars, you know what I'm saying? But also Jar Jar is a Sith, so that's what I'm gonna say. And the prequels are way better. We like ranted about this recently. Anyway. The new Kenobi series is tight. Do you really think that? I only watched like the first 2 and I was like, oh my god, no. Anyway. You like realistic action? Okay. Well. Wow, Dakota. Whoa. Here's some art to buy. Please, I don't have a real job. Not begging, but buy it or I'll automate sending you mean tweets and text at inconvenient times. Okay, so she did Inktober. I didn't do it for the first time. That's the only time I've done it. And began applying henna patterns to henna designs to prompts. Oh, you know, it would probably be a separate paragraph, right? You like Spaceballs better? I don't know what Spaceballs. I don't know. So. You really do like Kenobi? Alright. Okay, my beef with Kenobi is like, so, they had Child Leia in there, and my god, Child Leia is so annoying. And it's like they made it for children. And like, I understand, but like, why would they make it for children? There's like so much child, like, humor shit in there, and it's not funny. It's irritating. I'm just irritated by children, so there's that. I don't know what Spaceballs is. We want a raffle? She's so annoying. I already wrote those down, Born. What's the maybe? But who's stopping us? Yo, Dad. It is from the bad lip reading Hunger Games. So she's talking to Cinna, and Cinna like puts a piece of her hair and it's like, maybe? But who's stopping us? Yo, Dad. I say that to my sister. It's funny. I said to her yesterday. It's like watching Dora the Explorer as an adult. You're standing there screaming at your TV, yelling her to go left, and she won't do it for 20 seconds. Okay. So Obi-Wan is chasing little Leia because she's like scared of him, right? She's chasing him. He's chasing her, right? And like there's some times where he'll like come up to her and he'll be like, and like just stop. And then she just like keeps running. He could have caught her. Adults are like big, powerful people comparatively to children. He could have caught her, and he like you could like tell like how like, oh sorry, I like there's a tree in my way, or like she's running in the forest and people are running after her. She jumps over a log. They go to the log. They're like, oh shit, can't run over the log, and then go to the side of the log around. And it's just like, what the fuck? Anyway, so. I've seen Young Frankenstein. Is that Mel Brooks? That seems stupid. Like all of the scenes with little Leia are stupid though, because they're just heavily employ the child humor, and it's just, oh my god. Star Wars is not for children. I'm just saying, like, not that, like, it's, like, they can watch it, but it should be made for, like, the adults. I'm just saying. I just don't think so. Kylo plus Rey's canon? I don't know. I don't recognize the sequels. I've disinherited them, so. Request an I'm tired of being admired. Wait, what is this sound alert? I don't know it. Aren't they all descendants of Anakin? No, Rey is not a descendant of Anakin. She just claims the Skywalker name at the end of the 9th movie. And she's like, I'm a Skywalker, fuck yeah. And it's like, that's okay. She's actually a Palpatine, and that's a whole other can of worms, so. But no, they're technically not related, because she is, yeah. Oh, it's a Blazing Saddles reference? I've been meaning to watch that, actually, so. Disney does do what they want. But like Mandalorian was so good. I think the problem is that Mandalorian could start from like nothing. There wasn't anything, like it didn't have to like, it's in a time that like none of the movies had covered, didn't have to follow any characters that had already been established, and so Obi-Wan has to do that, and that's hard. Somehow, Palpatine returns. I don't know what dags are. I don't know what that means. Okay, alright. I was saying some stuff on here, I think. It might have been the case that that was the case. Now you can redeem one of her henna postcards in stream. Well, this looks weird, doesn't it? It's not supposed to do that thing. Snatch. Might. Minnesota for dogs. Dags. Do you like dags? Okay, so she, God, I don't know how to write about myself, has been doing it, drawing them ever since. Anyway, if y'all are like, actually, Rufio, you should say this, and I will do it. But I don't. Okay, so maybe we don't even need the second one. What do we think? I don't know. I don't know. Undecided. Confused. Not sure. Unsure of oneself. Wait, I need validation or not validation. I need feedback. Watching. Redeem a postcard on stream. But I didn't explicitly say that these were postcards, though. Always be closing or using the imperative voice. Okay, Derva, I got a secret for you. I never learned English grammar. I don't know what those words mean. I'm a native English speaker, but like, I don't know what passive or imperative voices are, so there's that. Yeah, I should do that hard. She's been drawing. Oh, okay, break time, I think. Stop it. Something smells burning. Wait a second, y'all. Wait a second. You know what I need to do? Okay, now that that actually worked. I need to go check the bowl in my bathroom that is catching water from my leaking toilet. Or else it might spill over, which happened earlier, and I got very, very frustrated, and I was upset. Anyway, so let me go do that really quick, and I will be back. Hopefully everything is good there. Alright, I'm back. Everything is okay. I mean, it's still leaking, but it didn't overflow, and that is a good thing, or else I probably would be like, sorry y'all, I need to go sponge up the floor again. Anyway, I actually don't think toilet water is gross, but also I've had to deal with some really nasty shit, so there's that. Is there poop everywhere? No, like, it's not broken that way. It's broken because the fill valve, it wasn't working. So the fill valve is supposed to, like, it has the floaty that was like, okay, it's hit this point, stop. It wasn't doing that, and so it was just going into the overflow valve and just continue, like, going into, like, the bowl, and then, you know, like, flushing if it gets too much, right? But it wouldn't stop. It was wasting water. So landlord came, replaced the fill valve today, but when he replaced the fill valve, he fucked up the little tubey thing going into the toilet, and so that is leaking. I have watched Monty Python, okay? I have. So yeah. You've had to stick your hand in much worse than just clean toilet water. Yep. Same. Yep. Putting my jacket on my legs. Okay. Story time? Haha, no. No, you do not want to hear those stories. They're very bad. Toilet water outside the toilet is something you always want to avoid. I suppose so. I suppose so. Okay. Dear computer, what the fuck? Okay. You just avoid toilets in general. Okay, so let's keep going. We wanted to do flex direction column, right? As Hog suggested. Okay, I can type words. Wow. I lied. I didn't want to do it on that one. I wanted to do it on the... We're going to make a section around these paragraphs. How about that? Okay. And we're going to say section. And we're going to say, there you go. And then we're going to call it class about paragraph. Okay, yeah. Just my P tag. Isn't it better to do a rappy? Look, now it's doing the thing that I wanted to do. I like that. I kind of want it to be spacey, but, like, I'm thinking, like, yes. But I would apply this to the P tags if I was doing, like, spacey, right? I think so. I'm thinking yes. Did I do the center? Oh, yes, I can do that. I can do that. No problem. But we would need to do the about section. Oh, wait. Paragraph. Why is this not working for me? Is this correct? Yes, it is. What were the things that we said? Oh, yes. Text. Line center. Well, that is with some space and no space. Rude. Rude. Why isn't it doing a spacey over here? What did I hear about Amazon AWS? Just that it sucks. I haven't heard a ton more than that, but I hear like AWS in particular is very sucky. We could do margin, right? Margin. Gotta whisper it though. What if we also do about petting. Woohoo! So that is the thing I wanted to do, but it's very ugly. This is good. Maybe. Hey, Tucker, what's up? Hey, Tucker, did you ever end up streaming? Who's Boo? I'm Boo. AWS is alright, Coder Chan says. Coder Girl Chan. Also, hey. Oh, you've done AWS. Wow, wow, wow. Wait, so why does everyone like shit on AWS then? Doing it Juneteenth? Ooh. Ooh, that would be good. Oh, I guess I just technically am too. What time are you doing it then? You've talked to many different people that have worked or work in AWS. They have many different opinions, but most say it really depends on your manager. Okay. Oh yeah, Juneteenth is Sunday. Really about the team. Did Leon go overreact? No. Leah is just ahead of everyone. Using the federal holiday. There you go. Yeah, what time are you planning on streaming? Okay. We like that. Should we see what it looks like when it gets bigger though? Oh my god, it looks really bad. It looked fresh as hell in the other one, but now it looks really ugly. It's supposed to be chunkier. See, look. Hello, Rufio. Is it going or is it going? I'm gonna say it's going. Where is it going? I don't know. What are they currently on in the class? I don't know. What are you currently on in the class? Oh, they're on vacation. That's true. But like, what were you learning right before? Noon Eastern Standard Time? I know a different time. Didn't do some terrible banking together. Okay, I should be going at like 4:30 Eastern Standard Time, so. Gotta change my line height? Wait, why? I always forget what that means. Change text size at media. You right. H2 chunk. 5 RAM. Yes, I think you're right, Born. Crud, okay. Hey, now Fury, thanks for the follow. That makes sense, Tucker. Okay. Alright. I will drink. I will do it. Drink. I'm almost out of water. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I'm thinking yes, we want that to be bigger. And we can do it. This looks fine, 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 fine. Well, not fine anymore. When does it stop looking fine? Like 800? Maybe we'll just do it here. In the this. Okay, so, about P, right? And we're saying font size chunk. That'd be so cool if that worked. It's not going to, but that would be cool. I would like it. Hey, hello? I know I shouldn't depend on that, but here we are, and I am. So it said slightly better. What do we think? 768? Wait, what? How did you get that oddly specific number? I can, I guess. Oh, that's tablet? Okay. It's like, it's very, very specific. Okay. Hello? Stop. I can't even hear the music, but I'm glad you're digging it. I get distracted. Oh yes. And min width 768 px pixels. That's what I should say. So that's this one. Should it be bigger than that? It looks kind of weird. Does it look weird? How do we make this look better? Yeah, that's what I agree with that, Toker. Just like we hang out and we do stuff that are my interests. Like y'all didn't have any input really. Does it look good? I feel like it looks weird. Or like if we get really bigger, I can say words. That doesn't look great. Needs more line height. I still don't remember what this does, but let's do it. One rim. Oh, that did nothing. You can kind of see it on the side there. What if we do this? 3 rim. Oh, okay. It looks weird, but okay, I get you. I see you. How about that? What the fuck? We all had input. Did you, though? I mean, like, if I'm like... I didn't ask y'all what we were going to be doing today. I said, we're doing this today. My nose is itchy. As always. Always and forever. Always and forever. He knows it's so itchy. How's that? I made it X large. But if it gets small, okay, that doesn't. It's small, and it's like chunky, and then we do that. Maybe it's okay this way. Mucho gooder. I don't know anything about Pokemon either. I've never redeemed anything in Leon's stream, but people like redeeming Pokemon cards. I'm like, bro, I don't even... I think there's a Charizard. I don't think it's impressing, but I just think it's tapping into people's interests if they want. Like, I've ranted about, like, etymology a lot of times, and a lot of you are just like, okay. But some of you are like, hell yeah, etymology! You know what I'm saying? Meter screen and min with chonk. Do we think this is okay, maybe? Debatably. Does that look weird? Hell yeah stuff! Yeah. We're not here professing our interest in etymology or making apps. Kind of sometimes, because like etymology has to do with like the meaning and like sort of history of words, and we work on a dictionary application. It comes up sometimes. Is there a way to lock the text wrappiness? Wait, what do you mean? I don't know. Maybe? Does anyone know the answer to that question? Paiute app? Yes. I do, not you. That's what I'm saying. Is what I'm saying, like I do like etymology and most of you are like, okay, you know. Text overflow. Wait, so what are we doing? I'm not sure. What are we doing? Text overflow? Alright, Scam. Trying to make me learn? Trying to make me learn? Learning? Uh-oh, this is not good. My computer's very slow. What value were you thinking that, what's the value that you were like, yes. Oh, I get you, boy. You think I would get embarrassed by just like not understanding what we're doing, but I'm not. I don't know what we're talking about, so. I think this looks like shit. I'm not sure how to make it better. Or maybe we should put like a picture right here, but only when it's big. What do we think? Ow. Alright, well, I'm not getting any input, so I'm just gonna say I'm brilliant and this is what we should do. So let me get some pictures off of my phone. Okay. Alright, Scam, thank you for the input. Looking at my phone and the pictures I took. Gonna put some pictures on the website. Looking at my phone and the pictures I took. Gonna put some pictures on the website. Gonna put some pictures on the website. I think that you're eating rabbit. Put a henna drawing in the background. Wow. But would that look weird? What if we put... We could put... Where are my damn screenshots? Dope. Not screenshots, drawings. I don't know what I'm saying. I lost track of literally everything in my life, so that's good. Well, yes. How many bang rings does it cost to redeem a game of Othello? I'm bitter. 5 millions. Okay, well we could put we could put Jesus. I don't know where all my pictures of these are. How do I not know that? Why aren't they by? Do I not have them? Where are they? Why do I lose things every day? I found them. I'm brilliant. Thank you. Me. I am. Hell yeah. What if I do? I feel like I have to do a brown one because all the ones y'all would actually be getting are brown and not black and white. Even though the black and white ones look better. What if we do this rose one that I think I gave Grat? I'm thinking yes. I'm thinking I'm going to email it to me. Okay. Top nav with a Z index? Wait, what are the words that you were saying? What does that mean? Okay, wait a second. Oh, did I get another drink? I don't think I did the second drink. I don't know. Here we go. I'll do it. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm drinking again. All right. I'm almost out of water. Okay. Wait, you told me? So my content goes behind it? Okay, wait a second. Z index. I might hear my brother in the background. I think he's playing Apex. Where did I do the thing where I did? There it is. A Z index. What does one put for Z indexes? $10? Alright. Bet. Did I use that right? Oh, I see it. Okay. Thank you. 1,000. 100. Wait, are we doing 10 or 100? Anyway. Oh, you know what? I didn't put it into this thing. 1,000 is normal? What did I say words right? But doesn't it look okay-ish how it is? Okay, so we were doing an image. Image. Ooh. Wait a second. Roses. Roses. Roses, roses. Roses. I'm putting the picture in, I'm attempting to put the picture in the, in our folder. Boom, bitch. Did you see it went changey just a little bit? It went changey. It's like, OMG, what is that? I think I should maybe have a folder that has these images in them. I'm thinking that since this is like literally like an image site, that yes. Doesn't matter until you have multiple elements using Z index. Layers, like onions? Onions have layers. What is this parrot thing? What is it? What is it? Oh, it didn't work. I need to stop trying to do stuff like that on my computer, y'all. Do I call it images or resources? I got to. Media, assets. Also, hey, Araz, what's up? Wait, which one do I? There's so many names.
He's low. Right.
Alright, I got 2 medias, so that's what we're calling it. Media. And we're gonna put these babies. It's gonna break shit, because it will. Our path is now fucked up. So, well, yes, maybe. Possibly. So we would have to do the media, right? Finish crow. Media. Finish crow. Oh yes, those worked. Feeling positively about this development. Okay. Pattern. Finish crow. There we go. Finish crow. Finish crow. Media pattern. Okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like, which I think is yes. It's a crow. Not a pizza, it's a crow skull. Depends on what you want to put in it, like audio, images, GIFs, video. Put media, if only, put icons, something like that. That's a duck? Excuse you? I freaking like drew that shit. I know the best. Okay. We wanted roses though. Now that we unbroke that, we would put it right media, roses.
Just relinquish it to me. I'll follow it.
Let's see then. Holy shit! Surprise shotty! Are we still talking about the crow? Are we talking about this?
Our outfit's back. That's kind of cute.
Fancy bone point. I don't see how the eye is like. Are you talking about like the hollows in the skull down here? Is that what the pepperoni is? It is, Eras. It is. Okay, I don't know what we're talking about anymore, but it looks like a bird, damn it. Or else I failed as an artist. He cries. It's okay. I think we're joking, I'm hoping. It's very big! Okay, so we only want it to show. We're gonna say hidden bish. Hidden bish. Section. About image. Display. Hidden. Hidden. None. Display none. Is this yes? It is, I think. Hi, intelligence. Thank you, Scam. Thank you, Ryan. Oh, it would be hidden? Wait, why would it be hidden and not none? No, it wouldn't be hidden. See ya, Scam. Thanks for hanging. Do I want to go to this baby shower? Yes. I haven't seen this person in years, and I would really like to be supportive to her. Wait, which one should I pick? Intelligence. I don't want it to show up until it gets really big, though. I will use a media query, but I don't know if we're supposed to do that. I want the picture. Display none, visibility hidden. I can't remember the difference. Yep. And then we would say, wait, whoops. About image. I don't want it to slowly appear. I just want it to only appear when it gets bigger. It worked. Wait, I don't know why I did that. Height. Where is it? Oh, it's so little. Oh my god. But it's not working. It's probably because I live healthy. Also, I think I stood you up like a Friday or so ago, and it wasn't in my calendar, and I didn't realize until afterwards. So I will have to message you about that. I'm really sorry about that. Okay. Clearly it needs to be like 10 RAM. Or something. I feel like it should be slightly different, but we'll have to see. We'll say maybe about display flex. Well, yes. It would already be display flex, but flex direction. Oops, words. Direction row. Wait, column. Column? Wait a second. I built on your chat? Wait a second. I'm confused. If I don't see it in my calendar, I will forget about it. Did we schedule something? I don't have any suggestions for you at us, but good luck. Chat equals not calendar. Oh, that's because I don't stay on forever, boy, and I have to go to bed and do stuff. Oh, you know what? I don't want, wait a second. I don't want the whole about section because I just want the about paragraph. Wait, maybe not even. Good lord. That is not what I wanted actually. So I want a wrapper for all of this. Okay. Wait, make it background image and use CSS. I don't really want it to be a background picture. I just want it to be the side to the side. Anyway, it's break time, so there's that. Ow. Okay. Texted my sister who got confused because of military time. Ooh, my legs are cold. So, how are you doing today? Did it work? Did the sound alert work? It's been really funky today. I think it's my computer, because my computer's processing a big ass video. So if it didn't do that, I really apologize. Another trucker dude. I haven't even exported that much of this video. I'm only like partially through it. Woof. Wait, zoom out your font in the editor. Wait, what are we talking about? What video am I processing? Yeah, so people want the VODs on YouTube. So I've been putting them on YouTube and I'm processing the 12-hour video. Because we watched Twilight in it and it was like, you can't even have this on here if you have Twilight in it. And I was like, okay. So I edited it out and now it's processing it. Dumb. So wait, if you're making an escape room thing, are you gonna like try and make an escape room in the website? Am I gonna edit the YouTube upload? Yeah. I mean, I'm taking out the stuff they won't let me have in there. Like, cause sometimes I'll upload it to YouTube and it says you can't even play this because like it has copyrighted content. So then I have to edit it on my computer and then re-upload it. I'm not really a big fan of YouTube, but people seem to appreciate the VODs going on YouTube, so. I think streaming is a lot easier than making YouTube videos, personally. Take out crime confessions and off-topic chat shit? Nah. Nah, that's way too much work. I do not have the time for that. That would be so hard. Interactive real room with interactive stuff. Wait. Oh, so you're making it for like a room, like it's their website. I only take out what I have to in those videos. You could do like when you open the website, you could have like a door and be like, enter if you dare or something like that, and then open the door. I don't know if you can do animation and then like zoom through it to the next page. That would be cool. I don't know how one does that, but if you did, that would be pretty cool. Hey, Ferrovax. A virtual walkthrough an escape room. I mean, you could do that, or you could just do the walking through the door. Your final projects, you're building a room, and you have to come up with what the coding side to it is. Wait, what? Wait, you have to actually build an escape room, like in real life. I mean, what the coding side is to it is, isn't that just like advertising it, essentially? I like my door idea. I think it sounds cool. Maybe we'll make that. Oh, whoa. Okay, my dear laggy computer, what's up? Okay, let's do the thing that we're doing. This. Let's do this. Class. About. Content. What did it do? It's done bad shit. Wait a second. What if we do this? What if we do this? It's changed nothing. What would say, bro? It's what the hell? Okay. All right. The thing that I am trying to do, my friends, is like, if we have like a picture or whatever, let's take you. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna do this, and then pretend like, here we go. You can get smaller, or not. Okay, whatever. And have it like this, and obviously have it be bigger over here, but something like that. That is the thing that I'm trying to do. Oh, that is smart, Born. What happened to lime green though? Okay, so border 2px solid pink. Well, that makes sense, I suppose. Wait, what? Oh yeah, we were gonna do some text overflow thing, and I couldn't remember what it was that what that was. Hot pink is better. They have to be siblings, not children of the same parent. What? I thought they had to be children of the same parent. I'm not doing floats. Floats are outlawed here. We only do flex. So we don't want it in its own little cozy thingamajigger. I refuse to do floats. I refuse. I forgot how to do it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing floats. I'm refuse. We're doing flex. We're flexing our skills.
They're fighting right here.
We are flexing it. I'm just not doing it very well. See, look. We did the flex. Floats are not awesome. Okay, wait a second. This deserves a pull. It is a little bit biased, but like, let's go. You can vote. Currently, I'm right. My opinion is right. You can't vote in this obviously rigged poll. You with born? Then vote. Cause you losing. You losing in the poll. Okay. You did vote. Okay. Oh my, what? Are y'all trying to prank me? Okay, grid, but also flex. Just not floats. I cannot believe the results to that, y'all. I can't. What the fuck? How is it? Why? That is not a big margin. That is not a big margin. I thought we hated floats. Who are these people and how do you like them? I don't hate floats. You always break your margin when you eat floats. I'm a little shook. It was 4-3. What? Okay. I mean, alright. I guess. But we still won. Oh, I get you, Ty. I get you. Yeah, so you're right. That shouldn't be in the about paragraph section. I didn't realize it was. That is what I wanted. For some reason I do. Flex is the way, like I said, a little bit biased, but I do hate floats. Beautiful. I think we should leave it just like this. How about that? Hey, little Freezy. Did you see how we did that with no floats? Objection. Leading. No border? Wait, are you saying that you don't like this border? Are you saying that this is not a good look for us? It looks really good like this? With the pink border? I'm thinking yes. I'm thinking we're just leaving it. It's good. I wasn't actually gonna keep the border. It's okay. Don't worry. Wait, I don't know if we need that. We do. Okay, that did stuff. We don't... I was actually just joking with the border. We're not gonna do a border. But this, looking at the spaces like Born says. So I want this image to be much bigger than it is. I would like it to be... I would like this to be shove it over 20. And I'll be honest, Araz, I'd really like to be doing viewport width right now. I feel like that would work. Because will it get smaller? It's not getting smaller, you see? That's bad. But it would if it was viewport width. It would. It would. Or percentage. It would work. Like if we did like... Watch this. Watch this, Eras. Oh my god, I got smaller-ish. And bigger-ish. There you go. There you go. Okay. Why do you use overflow? I want to make it grow or shrink with the width. Yes. And I'd like to do that with viewport width, but Eras hates it. What is a different way you would like? Do you think we should do that? Oh, it does? Well, that's probably why Eras hates it. Okay, I can use percent. I feel like people have gotten mad at me for using percent before. Whoa, okay. 30. 20. This is not getting any smaller. We've been pranked. Oh, good God. It clearly does not mean the same thing. I think we should be doing width. I always fuck this up. Okay. Rufio. Wait a second. There you go. That was alarming. But this looks weird and very not good. Someone link the MDN. I can't open it right now. My computer, every time it does it, it's like, oh, I can't, like that. Oh, I get you. Okay. It would be the about P section, I think, or whatever. I don't know. About paragraph. Okay. About paragraph. I have the best naming systems. Use flex with aspect ratio? Okay, like how you do that though. Height unset. Bang important. Bang important. Whoa. Wait, how do I do that, Donnie? I never knew how to do flex. Just flex by itself. One. I have to do display flex, I bet. Display flex. Oh, wow. That was a thing. That was a thing that, wow. What do you think? And maybe we just not do that for a second. Was that supposed to do the thing that it was to do stuff? This looks like about image. There might just be something setting height because the height's usually adjusted to the appropriate ratio. Wait, so how do I just want it, like, this to be small and this one to be filled like that. Why is percentage footing you in the chute? Shooting yourself in the foot? Wait, why does that do? What does that do at us? Width auto on the image instead of the paragraph to 50? Ooh, chantant. Width auto. And then, holy shit. Okay, and then we do paragraph. I think about paragraph, this one. Oh, I didn't like it. Frameworks make this so much easier. Alright, let's see what the image does. Or what this does on the image. Oh my god. No. What the hell? Whoa. I mean, it's exciting, but it's special also. Is my mom going to the baby shower? No, I think she's like in Milwaukee or something. I don't know though. But I thought viewport width was the devil. How special for sure. How very you would buy that. I think she on a road trip? She's at a conference. She does conference stuff because she's a professor. How do you function with all these people giving opinions? Well, you see, we haven't gotten very far, so... on card. It's very special. I will leave it for now. But this is not working. It is very ugly. Well, this seems to be bad. Oh my god, it does nothing. I feel deceived. I feel deceived. Well, I don't know what I was supposed to be doing with my life. That didn't do anything. Bruh. What am I supposed to be doing with my life? Here we are with hell in our face. Hellish roses with like a green fire. Fire. So we don't use RAM. Use RAM, no use percent, no use pixels, but use this. Yeah. This is the wrong class. The image class. What am I supposed to do in the image class? Besides do this. Wait. Look at you putting your styling together with your HTML. Flex. This is about content. God, I'm confusing myself. About content. Flex direction row. Paragraph. 50%. Wait, that got even worse. It's even worse. Your height auto? I feel like this is the same as doing in the browser though, because it's autosave. So I can see what it does immediately. Beautiful. So nice. We don't like the width. I swear someone just told me to put the width on. I'm just confused as hell. But like, actually, what are we doing? Because I was supposed to take the width off P, but I was also supposed to put the width on P. So like, it's not even getting any better. That's what I'm looking for. Oh my god, that took so long. Except slightly smaller. Or 40. Oops, sorry. Better, except for this, it's running into the edge of the page. Display grid with grid templates columns. Are you talking about on here? Oh, I get you. There you go. Yes. Oh no, it got weird. I give up. I don't like it looking like that. Ew. I don't think we should do the height auto. I think that's fucking us up just a little bit. Because look, if we do this. Oh no, it still does it. I don't understand what's happening. I don't want it to go squishy like that. That looks bad. Where would I put the aspect ratio? Image. Never use aspect ratio. Like that? Got a little better. I didn't put a height, I got rid of the height. Why? It's not, I don't think it's doing actually. Oh. It's experimental. Living life on the edge, that's us when we're making websites. But it looks bad, damn it. 60, 40, shit like that, maybe. Even worse. I give up. Now you are silent when I need your help. I want it to get smaller. Like, get small. Stay. I don't know anything about South Park. Small CSS. Okay, so the problem is I'm trying to use Flex for people. And we did use some grid above, but small CSS. What are we talking about here? What is this talking about to us? Oh, this thing. I like that. I want it. But which is this grabbing? What is this grabbing? Is it like the whole big parent container? This is very small. There we go. But now I can't copy it all. Try this. My section. Display flex. Row. Justify content space around. Instead of margin right. Is that what you're saying? P 40%. So that is supposed to work as it is. But it doesn't. Because it hates us. Every little thing I do never is enough for this. I don't wanna do it again, 'cause it won't work. P and image are the only two things in the div. Okay, so I think we're But this is that's this div. It has 1, 2 in this one. If we do see, and then but if we do oh yeah. Removing the styling on the image? Really? All of it? Oh, actually, I need to leave the display block, actually. Did I? Oh, yes. You're right. Still. Alarming. I don't need display block on it because it's only supposed to show up when it gets to the bigger height. It doesn't show up on mobile. So it's hidden before this. If it's not supposed to be blocked, that's fine. I don't quite understand the difference, but like we can do the different one or something. Beautiful. You think we should... Oh. Alright. So this is on mobile, but we're doing it from mobile first. So we're doing a media query. This is the media query, but it's for when it hits tablet size. This is what I should be doing? But what is it supposed to be applying to? The parent? Like... this baby? You've got no choice, babe. To move on. Oh. Oh. Move on, and you know there ain't no time to waste. You're just too blind to see. In the end, it's gonna be me. Forgot the words there. What? Okay. I know you were looking for that in your day, and now you have it. So you just got blessed. Get blessed. So I do like this, actually. This was the idea. Yes, this is exactly the idea. Okay, alright. Who is this small CSS person? Juan Salome. You're right. You're right. Okay, you're right. Align items center. But I think it has to be display flex if that's the case. How would we do that? That would be interesting. I don't think we can just do align item center, right? We've been pranked. Move down, bish. The image. Trying to center the image. On the parent? Sometimes I'm like, oh yeah, I totally get front end, but as you see, I don't. So. Well, this is not supposed to close here. Justify content or align item. Which one is it? I never remember. That is what I wanted. That is true. OMWQ! Okay, I got a little excited there. That is what I wanted. So should I use the aligning items or the margin auto 0? I'm thinking we should get rid of this. Okay. Because it's not looking good. Align is y-axis and justifies x-axis. You're right, but sometimes I feel like actually it like switches and I'm not sure why. I'm damn sorry if that doesn't make any noise. It's been dumb today. Well, that looks dumb. Look at that. Ugly now. So that's what it's supposed to look like when it's small. Interesting. Anyway. Oh, thank you for that. Alright. We'll do that then. You're not going to get a whole, you know what? You're only going to get 20 minutes, unfortunately, because that's all we have. How'd the interview go? So you can watch the beginning of this video later in the mails, but it went very bad. I got the rejection today, so. Switch depending on where your classes are, but I don't understand it. And I feel like this should happen when it's like, look, this is ugly. Look how, wait, no, look how ugly that is. It's not good, I think. So, would anyone like to explain what the fuck is happening here? What is CH? What is min? What is gap? What is var gap? What is literally all of this? Okay, we'll take a break. I feel like my accent's very good today. I apologize for that. Come on, my freezing computer. CH is characters? So what is it saying to us? I could remove the media query. So the problem is we need the media query in the way that when it's really small, we don't want it to show up. So like for example, God, my accent's horrific today. So if we look at like baby like this, we don't want a picture to be here. And so that's why we've got a media query. So, but it looks ugly here, I feel like. Min width is 15. Oh God, I'm not doing well at this voice today. Min width is 15 characters wide, and the gap between columns and rows is set to 1 rem. What does 15 characters wide mean, though? Isn't grid gap the same as gap? I don't know. I still don't understand what's happening here. What sounds insane? Then go to sleep, Born. Go to sleep. It is too blind to see. And it's gonna be me. I don't understand this, but we got it from small CSS, which I do appreciate the naming here. The small CSS. Baby CSS. Am I able to push my changes to the repo? Okay, I think I have 1 drink left here, so I've got to go get, okay, alright. Okay. I have to go fill this up now because of Eagle. JK, that didn't even count. Wait a second, let me push this to the GitHub. Accent is absolutely horrific today, like horrific. Alright, here we go. Get status. Okay. Baby, small. That is not the only... What the hell? Wait a second. That is not the only thing we changed here. Get status. Status. There we go. Get commit. Add styling changes to about section and add media folder. Get okay. Get add all. Oops. There we go. Get push. Now, if we go and do GitHub. Here you go, and there it should be updated. Alright, I've got to go fill up this water bottle because of Eagle, so I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. So it was a really good thing actually, Eagle, that you made me drink like 5 million times. I've not done it yet, but my you can hear me now. I think I should be able to now. It was so weird. I don't know what was up there.
That one.
It should be pick at my, this is my laptop audio.
Nice.
This should be my headset now, but I don't think it's checking it. I don't think
It's true. It's taken a while.
Okay.
Just really-
Hello? Hello? You should be able to hear me now, but really badly. Is it badly? It works fine? Wait, is it like normal audio though? I'm so confused. I do not know what happened. Like, I still don't know. I still don't understand. The person you're hearing in the background is my brother, so. No, it's not it's Ren MUS or something. Yeah, I think you're right, Born. I think you are right. Okay. That's your call, Aras? No, he is not self-affirming me. He's self-affirming the people he's playing Apex with. So. Someone say VIP. You are VIP'd. You done been VIP'd. I didn't say that because my voice was weird at the time, but. Okay, so. That was really weird. I don't know what is up with that. Yeah, he's in the same room. We're in the same office. That's where our office is. So that's why. I know. I'm going to refund all of it because I actually need to get off of stream really soon. To go to a baby shower. But I want to tell you guys what I was telling you when you couldn't hear me. Which was, I was really glad that Eagle made me get up and like fill up my water bottle, because you know how my toilet is leaking today, and I have to check it, like I have to dump out like the bowl that's like catching all the water every so often. It was almost full, so thank you for having me do that. So I actually redeemed, or I gave back all the drink redeems, because we do need to end stream actually. So because I have to go do some baby shower. I did not fill my water bottle with toilet water. See you, Tomas. I feel like we got a lot done today, actually. Like, we, right. Like, we made this section. It is not 100% done, but, like, that looks a bit janky, like that. But that looks good, and that looks good. So. The baby shower itself? See ya, Born. My timer's not there? I know. I started closing. Oh, yeah, it's even showing you funky stuff. Wait a second. It's closing. I had to close all this stuff because my computer's just flipping out right now. It's processing power, like Born said, is just going wild. So, which is another reason we probably need to end stream, because my poor computer cannot process 12-hour videos at the same time as streaming, I guess. So, oh, I thought you said you were leaving. Okay, but let's find someone we should raid. I would prefer it being, wait a second. Oh, it's not responding. Ugh. Maybe I need to look on my phone. I might need to say. let me see if I can do my phone thing. My poor computer. Let's trade my brother. He's not streaming. Let's read maybe Zybrith. How about that? Zybrith is a 100 devs coder. I don't think we've ever raided them before, have we? How about that? Exactly. Well, if we don't know who he is, we probably haven't raided him before, so we should go spread the love to another 100 devs person. My poor damn computer. I have to open this up on my phone just in case they have ads. They have ads. That's great. Okay. Okay. Apparently they have a follower subscriber only chat, just BT dubs. We did. Do you hear me now? Anyway, we're gonna write Zybrith. Thanks for hanging out today. We got a lot done, I think. So I'm pretty happy with that. Sorry for the technical difficulties. I should not be processing videos ever at the same time as doing this, but I did, so that was a decision I made. I will see you though on Monday for sure, and possibly Sunday night, but definitely Monday. So, let's go. Let's raid Zybrith. I appreciate y'all being here. I'll see you later.
We should be getting